হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম টু মৌলিস ব্লগ। গরম পড়েছে, ঘুরতে তো যেতেই হয়। তো আজকে আমরা এসেছি হক কনজারভেন্সি বলে একটা জায়গাতে। এখানে নর্মালি পাখিদেরই জায়গা আর কি, প্রচুর পাখি আছে এখানে। তো পেঁচা, আউল আর কি এখানকার বিশেষত্ব। আর এখন আমরা ঢুকে গেছি, তো সামনেই ঢুকেই একটা ছোট্ট দোকান এদের এখানকার জিনিসপত্র কেনার জন্য। আর ওখানেই টিকিট কাউন্টার ছিল, তো আমরা টিকিট কেটে ঢুকে গেছি। আমাদের একটা ফ্রেন্ড এসেছে, তাদের বাচ্চারা, আর আমার শ্বশুর আর শাশুড়ি, আর আমরা তিনজন। তো আমরা সবাই মিলে এখানে ঘুরতে চলে এসেছি। তো এখানে ঢুকেই এই ঈগল দেখতে পেলাম, আরও কিছু শো আছে পাখিদের, সেগুলো আমরা আস্তে আস্তে দেখব। প্রথমে আমরা এই পাখিগুলো দেখে নিচ্ছি। এ তো পোজ দিয়ে দাঁড়িয়েই আছে, সবাই ফটো তুলছে বলে।
বিমান বার্ড দেখছি পাপা।
বাবাকে দেখ, বাবা কই?
Hey Vivan, hi. Vivan, are you happy? Meow 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 meow. Kakaka. Kakaka. হ্যাঁ বিমান।
তো এটা আজকের ফার্স্ট শো। নিচে যেই পাইপগুলো রাখা আছে সেগুলো দিয়ে বাচ্চারা নেস্ট বানাবে।
See whether you can help us with some of the nest boxes that we've got around here. Now, before we start talking about the nest boxes, I will just say this is a great part of our grounds here to talk to you all about nesting birds, because on either side of the Discovery Barn are two birds or two species that nests make up a big part of their lives. So on that left-hand side there, that's our vulture aviary, and this year we've had some vultures nesting in there and actually successfully raising a chick. So there's actually a baby vulture in there at the moment. Izzy, our green egg, let's place it inside the nest. Yeah, very good. Give them a round of applause. Very nice. Particularly stable. There you go. Let's come and sit around in the middle. I just want to ask you a couple of questions now. So we've got our two nests. They've both got eggs in them. What happens next? What happens next? Very large. The largest nest of all the birds of prey is the bald eagles, because they build a new nest on top of their old nest every single year. The deepest bald eagle nests can be 8 feet tall. 8 feet deep.
কোথায় যাবো?
পাখির সাথে সাথে এখানে ডঙ্কিও রাখা আছে দেখছি। এইটা হচ্ছে স্নোই আউল। কি সুন্দর না দেখতে, বেশ মোটা সোটা গুলো দেখতে, মুখটাও বেশ সুন্দর, হাঁটছে কি সুন্দর করে। চলে এসেছে আর একটা শোতে। এই জায়গাটা অনেকটা ফাঁকা জায়গা, কেননা এখানে এখন অনেকগুলো পাখি উড়ে বেড়াবে, প্রায় আমাদের মাথার উপর দিয়ে উড়ে বেড়াবে। এই শোটার জন্য অনেকক্ষণ ধরে ওয়েট করে আছি। তো এবার শুরু হচ্ছে শোটা। পাখিও চলে এসেছে।
feeding flights through our meadow. So here we go, he's ready to go on the fits. Get ready. And he's off. He needs to work this out. He has to go quite sharp, right wing down. Here we go, look at this. Very nicely done. But Sam's a pro. He's over 20 years old now, actually. So much easier, really. When you really break it down and think about it, life here is a piece of cake compared to being out. Hence why they live longer. We've been joined by them. However, due to conservation, they've actually been able to pick their numbers up quite dramatically. Because going back sort of 30 or 40 years ago, they were quite heavily in decline. In fact, before they became the national emblem, before they became a protected species, here we go again, back into the meadow. Before they became that protected species, they were persecuted. Used to be able to take a bounce out and go and shoot these birds in the wild, which is terrible.
That's a bird.
Very nice to see. But they are a sign that conservation... That's the reaction we love, the oohs and ahs. You all do it at the same time, look at this! Oh, bit of food spotted on the floor. Ever the scavenger, ever the scavenger. This is what they do. Now, as they are quite close to you now, under the beech trees, you're getting it now, here we go. As they're getting quite close to you, look at a few individuals. Last flight now, look at this. Take it off there. So impressive to see in the air, all these birds. These spring into action. They're catching these pieces of food on the wing, but most impressively actually, once they've caught the piece of food, they're transferring this food from foot to beak as they fly. And Jenny is doing her best impersonation of a swarm of insects. And she has to duck, dive, dodge and weave. As you can see, 9 hungry black kites flying at her. It can get pretty daunting, I must say. And they don't stop. If there's no food there, they carry on.
তো শো শেষ হয়ে যাওয়ার পর এই সামনের জায়গাটাতেই আমরা একটু ট্রাক্টরে করে ঘুরে নিচ্ছি। তো এবার আমরা 3 নম্বর শো মানে আউলের শোতে চলে এসেছি। কি সুন্দর লাগছে, পুরো আমাদের সামনে এসে বসে আছে। ফোনে একটু দূরে লাগছে কিন্তু অনেকটাই সামনে আছে আর উড়ে বেড়াচ্ছে, খুব সুন্দর লাগছে দেখতে।
You'll find them Walter and kind of they share the duty. So it's one of our birds that's experience day in the morning or in the afternoon. So Walter's an experience day and it's like our most numerous species about in this country. But they aren't the easiest to spot because say Mum and Dad Tawny Owl are amazing parents. They're really good parents and they will carry on looking after their chicks. But sometimes what happens is they fall out the tree, end up on the ground, somebody finds them, and then they pick it up carefully. They do, even at a young age, they still do have very strong, very powerful feet. But just pick them up very carefully and you can pop them up a bit higher up into a tree. Another thing with young tawny owls.
Yay!
We have one more species to fly to you, and this is another British species. It's very shortly joined by our last species, bat.
Snow owl? Snow owl?
Barn owl.
Barn owl বললে?
ওই তো বলছিল না একটা বিল্ডিং এর উপরে বিল্ডিং এ থাকে।
শোগুলো বেশ ভালো লাগলো দেখতে। তো এবার আমরা আরো কিছু পাখি দেখতে দেখতে বাইরের দিকে যাচ্ছি। এটা আজকে লাস্ট শো।
First of all, you enter their territory. Two things: either the bird flies like you say, get out, or the bird may be scared, so he may injure himself. So, but either way, we have to be careful because obviously we're entering their home. And look at these two; they just don't care. and apparently, if you go to the Falkland Island, there was a gentleman. You can start the photo, so you know you could read the photo. There was a gentleman a couple of weeks ago who came here and said to me, no, please don't shout. Striated caracaras, they will do the same. You come as a tourist over there, wild caracaras will come to see you basically. And because for them, there is an opportunity. Now, I know it seems very simple, you know, food hidden underneath flower pots, and yeah, we can do it. All the birds you've seen flying today, like, I don't know, you probably seen Cinnamon, the Siberian eagle owl this afternoon. You show him food, flower pot, do that. He's going to look at you and say, and what? He's not going to do it. But then they're different. In the wild, in the Falkland Island, food is very scarce, especially during winter time. And those birds, they don't migrate. So to find food, you know, you have to be pretty good. And so what's happening in the winter? What's happening during the winter? These birds will go nearby houses. Sometimes they will look in bins, a bit like foxes in Europe, looking for food. And during spring and summertime, what they do, and they know, birds will come ashore and nest in the Falkland Island. Albatrosses.
এই rattlesnake টা alive হচ্ছে কি?
No, it's dead.
তাহলে এখানে কেন লেখা আছে? দেখছি। না 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 করছে। ও পরে কি হচ্ছে?
এর ভেতরে একটা পার্ক আছে, তো বাচ্চারা এখন পার্কে একটু খেলাধুলো করবে, তো তারপরে আমরা এখান থেকে বেরোবো।
Everyone? Yay!
Yay!
Once more. Yes. 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 Yes.
We want last.
Well done.
I'm first. You're not first. I'm second. You were last.
ও নামবে বলে লাফাচ্ছে।
বাবা ফেটে গেছে কি?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
বাবা তুমি ওইখানে করে আমি মাঝখানে আমি করবো গান করে
এসে না ধাক্কা খাচ্ছি মাঝখানে।
তো বাচ্চাদের সাথে সাথে আমরাও যোগ দিয়েছি পার্কে খেলার জন্য। সবাই মিলে প্রচুর এনজয় করলাম, সারাদিনটা বেশ ভালোই লাগলো। পাখিগুলোকে দেখে আরো বেশি ভালো লাগলো, প্রচুর শো দেখলাম। তো ভিডিওটা এখানেই শেষ করছি, ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট এন্ড শেয়ার করবেন।
Vivan, are you happy?
Thank you for watching.
Vivan, hello. ইভান কি দেখছো বাবা তুমি? রেডি?